Now this is another beautiful Range Rover Sport that has just arrived, 2023, 23 registration, but look at them wheels, 23-inch upgraded wheels, the best wheels you can get on the Range Rover Sport. This is a D300 Dynamic SE in Santorini black with 2,104 miles on. This is the 3-litre, 300 brake horsepower, air suspension, and it's got the sliding panoramic roof, which is a massive extra. You've also got red brake calipers, black styling pack on it. But it's stunning because of the Dynamic SE, and not just the SE. You've got this finish to the bottom of the skirt in here. 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors and adaptive cruise control. Headlight washers, LED lights front and rear with the adaptive LED headlight as well. You've then got the sharper grille, the black styling, the wheels that I've mentioned already. Now at the minute it's an access height with air suspension, but it does raise as soon as you start driving away. Bonnet vents and side vents finished in black, and this car's got fixed front and rear mud flaps. You've then got some protection glass, the electric deployable door handles, and that lovely light cloud interior with the ebony. It works extremely well. It looks nice and sharp, looks super crisp. Touchscreen media system, the two-tone steering wheel with the heated steering wheel as well. You've then got things like dual zone climate control, the Meridian sound system. I say this all the time, but this black chrome bezel looks absolutely stunning. Just looks, really posh. Piano black down the centre dash, twin cup holders with 2 keys. If you pull this compartment backwards, you've got more cubbyhole space with USB and USB-C. The centre armrest comes with more cubbyhole space as well, and you have the adjustable armrest here. More cubbyhole space down below, top dash and bottom dash, again good space. The touchscreen media system is a good size, very easy to use, and it's just quick. Navigation, Bluetooth, media, 4x4 settings. You've then got the camera system on there as well, which is a 360 camera, so you can turn around and look at different angles of the vehicle, which is ideal, so you're not going to curb any wheel and there's no excuses. Short shifter gear stick, front rear heated windscreen, and then you've got rear heated seats with the same light cloud interior. Fully fitted mats front and rear. I'm just going to get in the other side and show you. Obviously with it being access height, to get in and out it's easy. You don't have to climb up. But once you're in, you've got lots of leg room, lots of headroom, reading light with that panoramic glass roof, loads of light coming in there. Centre armrest comes down with a piano black, and you have cubbyhole space followed by the twin cup holders. There's a heated seat and there's a blowers there. More cubbyhole space just behind here. Lighting in the footwell. I'll get out this way because there's child safety lock on. Automatic tailgate, and then you have the LED rear lighting system. The black styling continues round the back. Press that button there. Your boot opens up, or you can press the button on the key. 40-40-20 split seat, rear shelf. The seats go down electronically, and then you have more cubbyhole space underneath here with the lock and wheel nut, but this is a good space for your everyday travels. Rear diffuser's completely changed in the Range Rover Sport now. This is physical. If you look at the ones that are available, not all of them have the sliding roof, not all of them have the 23-inch wheels, the red brake calipers, so this is really special. And then you have the Santorini black with a light clouded interior, which does look fabulous. Your multifunctional steering wheel starts off with that lovely dark chrome bezel again. There's a heated steering wheel, limiter, adaptive cruise control, lane assist and steering assist. Paddle shift is just behind there, and then you have the full digital dash where currently the navigation is displayed, but you can configure it so you have a single dial or a double dial. You know about the 360 camera system, you can synchronize the heating system, and then you've got the front rear windscreen that I've mentioned already. This is a fantastic car, I love it, does everything that you should do. With a 3-litre diesel engine, 300 brake horsepower, great miles per gallon, sounds brilliant, but in this case looks absolutely stunning. It's going live now. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the screen. Drop me a text, WhatsApp, or give me a call. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.